Hello guys, today we will see the summary of the proposal of the lesson proposal. So that is the play, and the characters of the proposal is the Stefanovich Chubukov, who is a landowner. Natalia Stefanovna is his daughter, 25 years old. Ivan Vasilovich Lomov is a neighbor of Chubukov, a large and hearty but very suspicious landowner. So, here in the proposal, the play highlights how anger and argument can spoil a relationship, and it also shows the fate of such marriages which are done with the purpose of cheating the spouse, and the wealthy people whose main purpose is to mass riches has been depicted. So here the curtain rises with Lomov entering his neighbor Chubukov house fully dressed up in his evening attire. Chubukov is surprised to see him well dressed and asks him the occasion. And then Lomov reveals that he had come to make a request. Then Chubukov anticipates that he must have come to ask for money, which he doesn't intend to on giving. Then, on being revealed that Lomov had come to ask for Chubukov's daughter, then Natalia's hand in marriage, and Chubukov gets filled with excitement and leads to call Natalia. And Lomov is a 35 years old gentleman who suffers from palpitations, gets upset very easily, and doesn't sleep well. So he thinks it is the best age for him to get married, and he is happy that he has his mind made up about Natalia. According to him, Natalia is average looking and a good housekeeper. When Natalia arrives, then Lomov begins the conversation about how grateful and glad he is that both their families are on good terms, and since the very beginning, while continuing to talk about his land, he somehow mentions about Oxen Meadows, who Lomov. Then Oxen Meadows, which earlier was a disputed property but is now his. So Natalia couldn't believe a word he was saying because she believes that Oxen Meadows belong to her family. Both of them enter into a heated discussion then, and act childishly. When Chubukov enters just to get the conversation more heated, they shout and scream while Lomov suffers from extreme pounding of the heart and a means side pull and the numb foot, and they throw Lomov out of the house and continue cursing him. While speaking ill of him, Chubukov unintentionally reveals that he had come with a marriage proposal for Natalia, which surprises Natalia, and she immediately regrets sending him out. And then she tells her father to bring him back immediately, and Chubukov curses himself on being a father of a grown up daughter. When Lomov returns, Natalia tries to deviate to another topic and starts talking about shooting. Somehow they enter into an argument involving their dogs, and then Natalia feels that her Squeezer is better than. Squeezer is the name of the dog, Natalia's dog. Um, Means Natalia feels that her Squeezer is better than Lomov's guess, and they continue arguing about Chubukov, enter the scene only to make the situation worse once again, and everyone gets hyper, and Lomov finally falls due to his palpitations. Even then, the cursing continues when suddenly Natalia notices that he is unconscious. Lomov is unconscious, and then they try to get water down his throat but end up getting unsuccessful and declare him dead. Really, they declared Lomov dead. And it is only when Lomov moves a little bit, they feed him some water, and Chubukov forcefully hands over Natalia's hand to him in that condition. And then Lomo is still not fully conscious, doesn't understand that what is going on, and when he finally comes to his senses, he expresses his excitement and kisses Natalia's hand. And Natalia, being childish as she is, manipulates him into accepting that Squeezer is better than Guess, but Lomov being um, adamant and refuses to accept it. Thus, once again, the quarreling continues. So, this is the summary of the lesson about Natalia, Lomov, and Chubukov. So, I hope you guys understand it in a better way. That is the short summary of the lesson. If you want it the para-wise or the dialogue-wise explanation, then let me know in the comment section. So, the lesson is over. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye.